Want to unmute the muted profile in Threads app but don't know how? Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from All in Help Guide, and in this video I'll share some quick and easy steps on how to unmute muted profiles in Threads app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, you need to open the Threads app on your device. Once the Threads app is open, tap on the profile icon which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now click on the two lines icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on the privacy button. After that, tap on the muted button. Here you can see all the people that you have muted in Threads app. In order to unmute them, click on the unmute button. And that's how you can unmute muted profiles in Threads app. Thank you for watching All in Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.